What if being different was your greatest power? Pharrell Williams grew up as the quiet kid, often misunderstood, but that uniqueness built an empire. From Virginia Beach, Pharrell and Chad Hugo created the Neptunes, producers who shaped the sound of the 2000s with Jay-Z, Britney Spears, and Nelly. But Pharrell didn't stop there. He stepped into the spotlight with Frontin' and later, Happy, a song that became a global anthem of joy. And beyond music, he built fashion brands, produced films, and inspired a generation to embrace creativity. Pharrell's story proves this. When the world tells you you're too different, lean into it. Because sometimes, being misunderstood is the first step to being unforgettable. Follow for more stories of resilience and success.